see Science. Today I'm going to show you a solar system car. The car will get the power from sun and it will run. So let's see how it works. Now I am going to open it. This will get the power from sun. So now I am going to put these things over here. So I have done it. So now we will go to the roof and taste that how it's working. See, when I put the car in front of the saline, it's moving. See, it's not moving now. If I put it again, it's moving. It's not moving. Yesterday I tried it, but there was no sunlight, so I tried today. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Bye.